Welcome to your oceanfront Plum Island oasis. Built in 2007 and lovingly updated and maintained by the current owners, has a great coastal vibe, and this house is where your memories will be made. With panoramic ocean views from both levels, this exquisite home is sited on the best part of the island. Upstairs, a terrific open floor plan with cathedral ceilings includes an open kitchen with granite countertops and a center island, as well as all new stove, refrigerator, disposal, and dishwasher. It opens to a spacious living room with a propane gas fireplace and incredible views, as well as a wraparound deck. Other improvements include central air conditioning and all new level or blinds. Enjoy the bright and airy spaces with hardwood floors throughout, which include 3 great bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms on the first level. An island located off the northeast coast of Massachusetts, Plum Island is a barrier island approximately 11 miles in length. Bordered by the mouth of the Merrimack River, Plum Island is divided between 4 cities and towns: Newburyport, Newbury, Rowley, and Ipswich. Offering miles of public sandy beaches, it's also home to the pristine Parker River National Wildlife Refuge, home to 800 species of birds, plants, and animals on almost 5,000 acres. Plum Island and its surrounding estuaries are a popular destination for birders. The refuge contains a wide variety of habitats, including beaches, sand dunes, salt marshes, freshwater impoundments, and maritime forests. Even the non-birders can enjoy the bird calls firsthand by sitting on the benches in some of the thickets of the park. The entrance to the refuge is situated less than 4 miles from Market Square, the historic downtown center of Newburyport. Nothing to do but put on your flip-flops and enjoy the ocean air.